My name's Brad, and I'm a medical assistant here at Aylo Health. One of my favorite things about working here at Aylo is that they have these really lucrative bonuses. I've been able to make an extra $700 per month just by providing quality care to our patients. The bonuses are one of my favorite things. They also offer a lot of other great benefits. For instance, we get paid time off. They do 401k matches. They also provide us with medical, dental, and vision insurance. They like to take care of us so we can take care of others. Another great thing about working here at Aylo is the company culture. Everyone here is really friendly. We have a lot of passionate people here that are just as passionate as I am in the medical field. When I first started here at Aylo, I connected with the staff instantly. Everyone was really friendly, everyone's really positive and supportive. It's cool because when you come to Aylo, it doesn't feel like you're going to do a job. It doesn't feel like you're going to work. It feels like you're coming to see family. It's a very family-friendly oriented vibe. And the people are really supportive, which is also really cool because there's a lot of room here at Aylo for advancements. If you're looking for more opportunity, people are really encouraging, so there's room for improvement as long as you're going above and beyond. There's tons of room for evolving in this company. So if you don't want to stay just where you're at, you can keep going and going. And if you do want to stay where you're at, it's also, like I said, a great place to be. Very warm, welcoming, friendly, family vibe. I'm actually able to take my clinical skills that I learned in school and put them to use in helping others, which is really cool. I had a bunch of friends that went to the same school as me that went elsewhere, and unfortunately, they're stuck greeting guests and cleaning exam rooms where I'm actually able to use the clinical skills that I learned in school to help others. I would definitely recommend Aylo to anyone just because the pay is great, really competitive hourly pay. There's room for advancement. If you want to go elsewhere in your career, everyone's really encouraging, which is another thing. The community is great. The people you're going to meet, it's not just colleagues and coworkers. You're going to make friends and possibly even family working here. And you get to use your skills that you learned in school, which is what we all want anyways. So I definitely recommend working for Aylo.